In this video, we're going to take a look at the installation for the Ursium thermostats. To begin with, we'll just check that the install site is prepared and ready. The back box is a standard UK style square back box. It's 47mm deep and it's mounted as close to the finished surface as is possible. The first step is to take the mounting plate and the large screws from the box and install them into the back box. As we're tightening the two mounting screws, we'll take this opportunity to ensure that the mounting frame is level. The next step is to install the thermostat, connecting any of the pre-wired connectors into the back as we go. The Ursium is held in place with 8 small retaining screws around the edge. Having installed each of the screws loosely, we'll now go around each one in turn just to check that it's tight, but not over tight. The last step is to install the faceplate and the dial. And the Ursium install is complete.